how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to do a little review slash demo on a few products from Luxy. So I have their clip-in bangs, I have the bun, I also have the ponytails as well. So two. So I'll give you a little review on each one, like what I think about them, and I'll also give you a demo on how to put them on and how to wear them. So this video will be perfect for you if you're looking into getting a ponytail, you don't know which one you want to get, or the bun, you don't know how it works. So if you're looking for more information about that, then keep on watching. Start off by talking about the bun. This is my favorite thing. If you are lacking in the hair department, like myself, I have pretty fine hair and my buns are very tiny. If I use my own hair, it's like a little like Timbit. So these are super helpful. So if you need help in the hair department, you need to get one of these buns. I feel like every girl should have one of these buns. It's so easy to use and it's just like, ugh. And I've worn mine so much. That's why she's looking a bit tragic. But like once you put it in and everything, it looks fine. But when it comes fresh, it does have like a nice little curl pattern. It kind of looks something like this. This is the bun from INH Hair, insert name here. So this is actually a synthetic piece and the ones from Luxy are human hair. So it usually comes like this, like with like little curls that kind of help you form the bun. I'll link this one down below. The synthetic pieces are a little bit more affordable, but I do prefer the human hair ones from Luxy because I feel like they're a bit more versatile and they do look more realistic just because they are real human hair. I'll actually tell you a story. Okay, so the reason why I got these pieces for the most part is to hide my hair. Dun, 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 dun. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know about my little mishap. So this was from when I dyed my hair orange, literally last October, using the overtone ginger. It was like my one biggest mistake in my hair journey was doing that because this yellow, I have not been able to get it out, even though I've tried. So at this point, I'm actually growing it out. And I was like hoping to grow it out so I could like cut it off. And meanwhile, while I'm growing it out, if I tie it up, you can't see it after I put it in the bun. So that's why I got the bun and like the ponytails as well. So I could like wear my real hair out and you can't see the yellow, you know what I mean? So I'm super happy about that. But funny thing is I'm actually getting my hair done in like 2 days. And we're changing the color and I'm hoping to get a color correction to like get this out. So I'll keep you guys posted. But that's why I wanted to do this video today while these pieces like still match my hair because I am going to be going blonder. All right, so I'm going to give you a quick little demo on how I get a solid foundation to wear the bun and the ponytail so that they feel really secure. And especially if you have shorter and thinner hair like me, you might find this helpful. So the product that I use right now is this mousse, but you can use any like styling cream or anything like just to kind of slick your hair back, but I've been liking this lately. And I just do this slick back look. You can, I mean, obviously you can wear it however you want. You can do what I did recently actually was, you know that look where you leave like the two, oh my God, like the two face framing pieces out? Do you know what I mean? Like kind of like this sort of look. It's almost like that 90s look, almost giving Bella Hadid. I feel like it looks better when you have a center part, but you can leave like pieces out for your bun. You can wear a top bun, you can wear a ballerina bun, you can wear a low bun, but I'll just show you like the slick back top bun, which is kind of what I usually go for. So what I do is I get some mousse. This just helps like get the flyaways, especially because my hair is a little bit shorter. And then I like to use a boar bristle brush. It helps to get like a really smooth look. So then I just run this through my hair. Okay, so my trick is I use 2 hair ties. So I use a little thin one like this, and this is like a pretty strong one to do my first wrap, which is the ponytail. And then once I have the ponytail in, this is where I wrap this around and make a bun. And I like to do it this way. And then I just use like a little scrunchie like this. I feel like I like using this because it kind of adds a little bit of bulk and thickness. And I like doing it this way because I feel like using the 2 hair ties really makes it super secure. Like this feels really like tight and not like it's gonna fall out of itself. And I like doing the ponytail first and then doing the bun instead of like just wrapping the hair into the bun in the first place. I feel like that doesn't stay as well as doing this. So this is like my preferred foundation. So this is my little bun. This is what she looks like. And then just because my hair is shorter, I do get these like pieces in the back. So I just go in with these clips and clip them back. And then you apply the bun on here. So this just goes right over the bun like a little pocket. And it does have these combs, so you can slide these under the hair tie. And the way I like to position it is I position the drawstring towards my face just so I can see it and I know where it is and so I can hide it. So I'm gonna slide the combs underneath. And then this is where I tighten the drawstring. And there you go. Just kidding. So this is like what you start off with, and then you just wrap the hair around like a bun. And this is why I prefer to have the drawstring in the front so I can see where it is and make sure that it's hidden. So at this point, you can really just make it your own. You can make it like a tighter, sleek bun, or you can kind of leave it a little messier. It's super, super easy. The hair really just kind of like wraps onto itself. And then you just take a bobby pin, pin it into place, and make sure you pin the little drawstring as well so that it stays like tucked away and hidden. But literally, how easy was that? Like, so cute. See, now you know why this has been like my go-to. Like, I just throw up my hair, put a little bun, and I'm like, ooh, she's chic, she's cute, she's put together. You can't tell that her hair is yellow. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the clip-in bangs. So this is what they look like. So they got the clips in the back. And I got this because I saw a picture of Pia on Instagram and she has the same ones, like literally these ones in chestnut brown. I'll show you a picture of what they look like and they look so cute on her. So I got them too. I haven't had mine shaped. That's the thing with these. You kind of can't really wear them like right out of the box. You do have to have them shaped by your stylist, like cut to your face and all that. They do come pretty long. So I'll just give you like a little demo of what they look like. So they look kind of like this. But see, you wouldn't actually wear them this high up. They give you like a lot of hair to work with, so your stylist can like cut them to your face. So I kind of want to do like curtain bangs. I don't know. I need someone to cut these for me because I don't trust myself to cut bangs. Cutting bangs on yourself is like risky business. So yeah, you can see these aren't like styled accordingly, but you kind of get the idea. So they look like kind of like this. You can really play with these. You can actually do, if you wear them lower, you could do like the side bangs. I feel like you could do curtain bangs with these. And they give you like these little pieces at the sides to help to blend with your hair. So when you have your hair down, it kind of helps to blend in the bangs. But I feel like this is like a look too, right? With like the bun and everything. Like, who is she? She's so chic. All right, and lastly, I'm gonna show you the ponytail. So this is the 16-inch ponytail here, and it does come with the cute little curl at the end. And I do have the 20-inch as well that's coming in the mail, so I'll show you that when I get it. I know, I was gonna wait until I got it to film this video, but then I'm actually gonna get my hair done in 2 days, so my hair might not match the ponytail when I get it. And then, yeah, I know, girl, I know. So it's like, why did you order the ponytail if your hair isn't gonna match? But I wasn't planning on getting my hair done. But right now I'll show you the 16 inches. So this is what it looks like. It's your standard wrap around ponytail. So it has the one comb here that you slide under your hair tie, and then you wrap it around with the Velcro. Secure the Velcro in place and then wrap this around to hide the Velcro, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I have the same base as before, the ponytail with the one hair tie and then the bun with the second hair tie, and it feels super secure. Okay, and then with this comb, what you can do, there's two ways. The way that I like to do it is just kind of like straight in like that. You can also do this thing where you hook the comb in under and clip it up like that. Do you know what I mean? Some people prefer that. I prefer if it's just like straight in and it just stays like that. I feel like that is more secure. So stick the comb straight in under both hair ties. And then the Velcro is actually pretty important. It does give you a lot of security, so make sure you get a good grip on the Velcro. And making sure the comb is still in there and Velcro it in place. And then she's pretty secure. And then you just take this part and wrap it around your ponytail to hide the little Velcro. And then when you get around the back, just get a bobby pin and pin that little tail somewhere. And there you go. And I like having the bun as a base because it gives you that height to the ponytail. And it feels super secure. And same thing with this. You can wear a high ponytail, you can wear a mid ponytail or a low ponytail. But I do prefer to wear it high. I feel like it looks very, very cute. Hey, Janna from the future popping in here just to give you a little update. So I did get the 20-inch ponytail, so I'll show you what that looks like. And just a little update on my yellow hair. She's still yellow. I did get some highlights to like kind of blend it in a bit. I'm still working on growing it out. It's a work in progress. I'll keep you updated on it. But here is the 20-inch ponytail. And it's funny because when I actually got this in the mail, I was like, oh my god, they sent me a 16-inch, another one. I don't know why it looks so short to me, but it's definitely longer. So this is the 16-inch. And when you compare the two, you can see the difference. So obviously the 20-inch is 4 inches longer. So that's what she looks like. And they do come with like this little curl to them. And I did see at one point that they were coming out with a curly ponytail. I don't think that's out yet. I'm not too sure, but I do want to get my hands on the curly one as well. So if I get it, I'll update you maybe on Instagram or something. And I'm also going to list some other brands down below. So if you're in the market for some good high quality human hair ponytails, look down there and I'll list any like coupon codes or anything that I have. So check the description box for more. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions about the ponytail or the bun or anything like that, leave it in the comments and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.